Hello friends, sale, everywhere festive season sale. Today you're going to see the most affordable item which I found in this year's festive season sale. So I would think that it would benefit every household. What is that? Come along with me and see. This is a Flipkart owned product sold as Flipkart Perfect Homes. You can order this from Flipkart and it is delivered like this in non-assembled pieces. Here you're seeing the installation of the same. Once you order this product from Flipkart, the installation and demo for this product is done free of cost. It is a part of the purchase. That is, within 2 to 3 days, the Flipkart delivery partner will contact you for the installation and demo. This is made of 100% safe engineered wood, which is termite resistant. Flipkart is giving 1 year domestic brand warranty. Like if the product is in India, anywhere in India, Flipkart is ready to service if any problem occurs. The dimensions, weight and more details of the product is provided in the description. You can see it over there. I got it at a very low price, that is 2,248 rupees only. So my dear viewers, keep your eyes open to this channel to know about more deals and offers. The service partner has done a wonderful job in installing it in a right way. And finally, it's the shoe rack. It fits around 8 to 10 pairs of shoes. And it is beautifully designed like this by Flipkart service partner itself. And I hope you like the video. Hello. Thinking that this is the end? Not at all. I am going to showcase you with more items in this sale. So you are interested? Then stay tuned.